In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to draw this isometric object as an orthogonal drawing. I'm going to draw it at the scale of 1 to 2, so it will be half the size of the object that's been printed out here. Always start with orthogonal drawing with a line across the base of the page. It leaves enough room for dimensioning. And a vertical line to make an L shape on the page. Now, I've been given the front view, so in an exam situation, just double check that you haven't been given a front view already. And I'm going to draw this as a crate to start with. So that's 120 mil, so I'm going to go 60 mil across. And it is 70 mil high, so 35 mil high, so 60 by 35 at half scale. Using the edge of the page. Okay, I'm going to start by drawing in these different areas. 35, so half of 35, that's testing my maths. 17.5 mil, going down 20 mil, we go down 10, that direction. I'm just going to make it 30 mil. And it's another 30 across there. I'm going to draw in as 15. We're going down 50 mil, so 25. And we finish it across the bottom there. Okay, now this is angled, so when I look straight at that, it just appears as a flat rectangle, which is what I've indicated there. I do need to go back once I've drawn this view, and I need to put the hidden detail of this. If this is a hollow cylinder, I need to put that in there, indicate that there. But that is my front view. What I can do from this point, actually, this is a really good technique to use. It's the 45-degree line technique. So use your 45-degree line, set square, and from the top right hand corner of your object, draw in a 45-degree line. And that way, once we do our front view, our right hand view, I can rule the lines up and across, and they will give me my details. Now I'm going to put 40 mil between views because I have enough space on this diagram, on this page. You can either use 20 mil or 40 mil, but whatever you do here must be done there. already know the height, so I can just run that line straight across. It's 70, so I'm going to go 35. I'm actually just going to run that line straight up there already. Now, this angled line here, I know that that is 20 mil and that is 20 mil, so it's going to go up 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Now I will have to show the hidden detail of this, which is pretty easy to do because I've got that information there. I know it goes from the top, from the right hand view, it goes back 30 mil that way, so 15 mil. And I'm going to change that to a dotted line because it is hidden detail. Okay. So now I do need to put in, zoom in for you so you can see that. This circle, it's 1 centimeter up, 1 centimeter across. It's 20 mil in diameter, so I'm going to go half, half, and make it a 10 mil circle. So 5 mil here, 5 mil here. I'm going to draw this in as a box to start with. Then I'm going to find my circle template. 10 mil high. My circle template. I have my 1 centimeter circle. And I'm going to draw straight lines across the page from the top and the bottom of that circle. I'm actually going to put them in to all the way through the front view because I'm not quite sure, but I think this is a hollow cylinder that goes all the way through. So I'm going to indicate it as one anyway. With my little drawing, my little circle, we indicate that it's a cylinder with a long line, short line, long line, and then a long line, short line, long line. Should be a little X in the middle. And over here, the long line, short line, long line, and just extrudes out a little bit on either side. Okay, so I can then rule up from all the main points up to my 45-degree line, That gives me most of the information that I need to do the top view, and I'll show you how we work that in a sec. And then what I can do, lining up my set square, you don't have to do it this way. It's just one way that orthogonal drawings are done. As long as you're really careful, you can just draw in your top view. Is just make sure that everything is exactly as it should be. Then I can do my lines going up this way. If I have a look at this, I've got to imagine I'm looking down on it and I'll be able to see this shape, which might just darken up the edge lines first. Again, that hollow cylinder is indicated with dashed lines from the top as well. Long line, short line, long line. Okay, so that's my 3 views. And to label my views, just need capital letters. Always remember to put in a third angle projection symbol. So with your third angle projection symbol, it's one circle inside of another. And then one thing that you should note is that the chopped off triangle, it's not just a random height. The size of the middle circle is the height here, and the size of the bigger circle is that height. We draw in our target symbol with a long line, short line, long line all the way into the center of the chopped off triangle, short line, long line out. And the same as what we indicated with our cylinder on our right hand view, it's a target symbol just like that. So that's a third angle projection symbol. I would also put in the words scale 1 to 2. And if you're adding measurements in, you can do that as well. And that's how to draw an orthogonal drawing of an isometric view.